In this video, I am going to show you how to use Greenlight with Apple Pay and transfer money from Apple Pay to Greenlight. The first step is to open the Wallet app on iPhone. 2. Click the plus symbol in the upper right corner. You may be asked to sign in with iCloud, of course. 3. Choose debit or credit card. 4. Scan the Greenlight card or input the card information manually. 5. You may be prompted to verify your card by calling Greenlight customer service at the phone number that appears. Verification takes only a few minutes to complete. 6. Now Greenlight can be used with Apple Pay and you can transfer money between the both payment methods. And that's it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.